Welcome to AYS Math channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 5 from paper May 2023 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics B1. We'll go through the problems step by step, ensuring you understand the concept and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. Question number 5 is figure 1 shows the plan for a garden. OA and CD are perpendicular, so OA and CD both are perpendicular, so it means that they are making 90-degree angle here, which is pi by 2 in radians. AB is an arc of the circle with center O and radius 4 meter. OD is 6 meter and O is 4 meter and CD is 1 point. Okay, the whole information, everything these all is labeled in a diagram. Show that angle AOB is 1.186. Okay, show that angle AOB is 1.16. The full complete angle is pi by 2, and I don't know how much is this angle. This is what I need to show. So I have radius 4 meter and anything else I do not have this information. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to draw a straight line here. So this is 90-degree angle as well, pi by 2, right? This is 1.5, so because this line is parallel to CD is also 1.5. So this length is also 1.5. And because the radius is 4, OA is a radius of a sector, and OB is also a radius of a sector, so this OB is 4 as well. So if I draw this triangle separately here, so this is 1.5, this is B, this is O, and this is something, I don't know, let's say A, B, C, D, E, let's say this is E, okay, and this is 4. 1 point, I need to find out how much is this angle. So if I label it, let's say this is X, so if I label it, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, so OH is tangent. Let's start solving it now. Right, so I can find here OE as well. Let's first find the angle. So OH OH is sine, is not tangent. Let me erase it. Sine theta equals to 1.5 over 4. So use the calculator. Shift sine inverse. It is in radians. So make sure your calculator is in radians. Sine inverse and 1.5 over 4, which is 0.38. So angle X is 0.38. Zero 0.384397. Okay, and then I have to show that angle AOB is 1.186. So what I do, I will subtract it from the full angle. Pi by 2 minus 0.38, 4396 to get theta. Pi by 2 minus 0.384397. So let's subtract it. Shift pi over 2 minus answer and that is 1.186. I have to give my answer in 4 significant figure. The complete answer is 1.186399552, but I need to give my answer in 4 significant figures, which is 1.186. So this is angle AOB. So let's write here angle AOB. Right. Now in the B part it says that find the perimeter of the garden, giving your answer in 3 significant figure. So perimeter of the garden. So let's highlight what is included in a perimeter. In a perimeter I do have OA. This is the length. I will add sector arc length AB and BC and CD. This is CD and OD. Okay, I do not have arc length and I do not have BC. So I need to find out arc length, that is AB, and I need to find out BC. The rest of the sides I do have. So let's first find the arc length. So arc length AB is r theta. So radius is 4 times theta. Theta we just got it 1.186. I will suggest you take 4 to 5 digits to get the accurate answer at the end. So 1.186,399. Okay, 1.186, that's fine, because our next is 399. So when I round up, it will be 1.184. So times by 4, if I times it by 4, I'll get here 4.74556. Yeah, something 556. Okay, let's round up here. More digits you will take, more accurate answer you will get at the end. So arc length is 4.7456. Now I have to find out BC. Just keep it in your mind, the full length here is BOD, which is 6. Okay, and I don't know how much is this length. From the total, okay, if I get OE, okay, let's say this is E. If I get OE, I already drew a triangle here. So if I get this length, I can subtract from the total to get ED or BC. Okay, so to get this length, I'm gonna use the same triangle here. So I can use here Pythagoras theorem. So 4 squared minus 1.5 squared and square root will give me the length of OE. Right, and 4 squared is 16 minus 1.5 squared, and the square root is 3.708. So this is 3.7080. Let me recheck again. Square root 4 squared minus 1.5 squared, answer is 3.7080. Yes, 80 or 81. Yeah, let's round up 81. Okay, this is OE. So to get ED, which is parallel to BC, is same, and from the total, that is 6, if I subtract OE, that is 3.7081, I'll get ED or BC, whatever you say. So 6 minus answer is 2.292. So 2.292. So this length here, this length is 2.292, and which is same as BC. So BC is 2.292. Now we got all the sides, all the missing sides. Now it's time to find the perimeter. So perimeter, let's start adding from here. Let me erase it and let's start adding all the sides. Right. So OA, that is 4. AB arc length, we just got the arc length 4.7456 plus BC is 2.292 and CD is 1.5 plus 1.5 and we have OD, that is 6. Add up all sides. So use the calculator here. 18.53756. I need to give my answer in 3 significant figure. The question says give your answer in 3 significant figure, and that is 18.5. Okay, this was the B part. Now let's move on to the A part. A part says C part. So C part is find the area of the garden, giving your answer in square meters to 3 significant figure. Now let's go back to the figure area. So for that, to find the area of each and every shape, first of all, I will find the area of a sector. Then we do have a compound shape. I can see I have a small rectangle here and I have a triangle. And I do have all sides, so it's pretty easy. Let's now find the area of a step-by-step area of a sector. This is the C part of question number 5. Area of a sector. We know the formula for area of a sector in radians, half into r squared theta. R radius is 4. Theta, we got theta is 1.186. So times by 1.186. So let's use the calculator. Area of a sector is, after multiplying, we got here 9.488. So next part is area of a triangle. We drew a separate triangle in the above part, and we can use here base into height. Base is OE, and we just got OE is 3.7081 and height is 1.5. So let's use these values here. The formula for area of a triangle, half into base into height. So base is 3.771 times 1.5, and that is 2.7825. This is the area of a triangle. Now it's time to find out the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length into width. So 1.5 multiplied by 2.292, and that is 3.438. Total area, add up all these three. So this is number 3. Let's label it. This is number 2, and this is number 1. This is number 1. And where is 2? 2 is area of a triangle. This is number 2, and this is area of rectangle. Right. So add up all these. It's time to use a calculator. So 15.7085. Round up the answer into 3 significant figure, and that is 15.7. This was question number 5 from paper May 2023. I hope you found the solution helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AYS Maths channel for more exam tips and maths tutorials. You can find videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Have a good day. Bye bye.